name's Rolf Harris. This is Warm-Blooded Survival. We'll be exploring the deciduous forest right now. The temperate deciduous forest is characterized by its leaf-shedding qualities and the fact that it experiences all 4 seasons: summer, winter, spring, and fall. As you can see, the leaves change during the fall and get a beautiful yellow color. Not edible. Locations of temperate deciduous forests include that of Eastern North America, 2 parts of South America, Middle Europe, Asia, Russia, and a few places all over the world. Oh, crikey! Everyone look at here! It's an American black bear right here in the temperate deciduous forest. Oh, crikey! You hear that? Come on, let's go! Come on, you hear? I'm camouflaging so the bear doesn't see me. It's my natural instinct as a human being. In the temperate deciduous forest, other animals include a fat dormouse, American bald eagle, some insects, white-tailed deer. Good prey for the bear. But now we're just trying to hide away from the bear. There are many different types of vegetation here in the temperate deciduous forest. This is a beautiful white birch tree that I'm standing right next to. Also, different types of vegetation are tawny milkhat mushrooms, lady fern, white oak, as well as carpet moss. The average annual temperature of a temperate deciduous forest is 50 degrees. The average annual rainfall is 30 to 60 inches. As you can see, the soil here, very fertile, very fertile. Oh, crikey, didn't see you there. I was camouflaging, as you could tell. Did you know some insects in the temperate deciduous forest cannot survive winter, so they lay eggs before they die, and these eggs last all winter and hatch in the spring. Deciduous forests are closer to the equator than the coniferous forests of the taiga, so they have longer growing seasons, giving its plants more time to produce food. The forest yields about 6,000 kilocalories per square meter per year for animals to eat. These primary producers from the first trophic level. The trees in the deciduous forest are the leaves of the winter. The trees and shrubs produce flowers, seeds, and fruits. Below the shrubs are wild flowers, clumps of grasses, and ferns. Squirrels, small rodents, and deer find food in the deciduous forest and other plant eaters, including many birds and insects, are all primary consumers. These animals are on the second trophic level. Only about 1/10 of the energy is stored in the bodies of the herbivores, so animals eating these herbivores only get 600 kilocalories per square meter per year from their bodies. The small carnivores are secondary consumers from the third trophic level. Many of these animals, such as woodpeckers, skunks, eat insects, while others, such as raccoons, foxes, and snakes, eat small animals, rodents, and frogs. The bodies of the second consumers contain only 60 kilocalories per square meter per year. This biome can support a fourth trophic level. Large carnivores, such as bears and cougars, are tertiary consumers. These animals can eat a larger herbivore, such as a deer, as well as anything else in the biome. However, only 6 kilocalories per square meter are passed up to them from the lower levels, so they have to be able to cover a lot of ground to be able to find enough food to stay alive. Ticks and deer is an example of parasitism. Ticks feed exclusively on animals' blood. The deer tick is known for carrying Lyme disease and may not intend to harming their host, but can cause harm as they contract the disease. Bald eagles make the nest in tall trees. This is an example of commensalism. The bald eagle benefits because the tree creates a safe place for her to lay her eggs and keep her young safe while the tree is not affected. Bees pollinating flowers is an example of mutualism. Pollination is a transfer of pollen from a stamen to a pistil.
Pollination starts the production of seeds. Bees benefit because they get food, while the flowers benefit because the pollination starts the production of seeds and more species of plants grow. Coyotes and rabbits are an example of predation. Rabbits are a major food source for the coyote. An example of competition for the eastern deciduous forest of North America is between the nuthatch and the brown creeper. These two birds forage on the same trees for insects. However, the creeper works its way up the trunk, while the nuthatch forages down the trunk. In this way, they see and eat an entirely different set of insects. These species cannot share the same niche.
I'm Rolf Harris, and this was Warm-Blooded Survival. Here we are in the temperate deciduous forest. Next week we'll tell you how to survive the other biome, a tundra. So tune in. I'm Rolf Harris. We start chasing squirrels.
I'm recording.
Delete that. Sorry.
I'm still just go.
Okay, just go. Bloopers! Yay! Also, different types of vegetation are tawny milkcap mushrooms. Tawny milkcap mushrooms. So, different types of vegetation are tawny milkcap mushrooms, red arrowhead. Can I use this during wrestling season?
What?
Please?
You don't need it.